Hey everyone, this is Angela.
And I'm Ada. Here's an expert guide to buying and selling feed content.
You have probably watched a lot of videos about FeetFinder.com, a lot of how-tos, a lot of guides, and those are essential videos, and I definitely encourage you to watch them.
But in this video, we want to talk to you about the nitty-gritty things that were not mentioned in those videos.
To start with, allow us to tell you where to sell feet pics.
There are tons of websites and social media platforms where people sell feet pics. Some people sell them on OnlyFans, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter. Some even make their own websites.
However, social media accounts such as Twitter and Instagram are often flooded with scammers, fake accounts, and can even get banned if they catch you. So we highly recommend that you don't use just those websites.
People selling feet pics on Instagram and Twitter often are scammed by fake sugar daddies who are asking for their email addresses, which is why we advise against selling there. However, FeetFinder does recommend posting your account to your social media platforms so that you have higher chance of sales.
Selling feet pics on OnlyFans is another option that many people do, but few are successful. It's a saturated platform with many buyers who are looking for, more than just feet pics.
Models also have to promote their own account, and if you don't have a large social media following, you're really not going to make any sales.
The safest and most secure website to buy and sell feet pics easily is FeetFinder. FeetFinder has 150,000 verified users, and all models are ID verified, and all buyers are required to put in their card information before messaging or buying content to, ensure that there are no scammers.
FeetFinders requires that foot models pay a very cheap monthly subscription fee of $3.99, and this allows them to do all of the promoting for you.
This means, unlike other saturated platforms where you have to put in hours of work to get the bare minimum, FeetFinder allows you to sit back and relax while they do all the work.
FeetFinders also auto-blurs all feed content that is uploaded so that buyers have to pay to see the content. But they do offer a preview so that everyone is happy. They are PCI compliant, which is huge because it guarantees that your data stays safe, whether you choose to upload and sell privately and anonymously, or if you want to sell publicly and share your account to all of your social media.
If you want to learn more about FeetFinder, you can check out their How It Works page and their How It Works video. We'll be more than happy to put it in the description below.
Now that you know that FeetFinder is the safest and easiest site to sell feet pics on, let's talk about how to get started.
FeetFinder has an informational YouTube channel where they post videos offering tips and advice based off data from buyers' purchases to help experienced and inexperienced foot models succeed.
Some examples of famous feet pic categories are going to be soles, heels, nail polish, pedicures, and the great thing about feet and feet lovers is that there are so many subcategories.
So one person with a foot fetish may only be interested in insoles or only soles, while another person with a foot fetish may only be interested in heels and painted nails. So try and find a niche that helps you stand out from the crowd.
On FeetFinder, you can add descriptions and titles to all of your feet pics and videos, and you want to be sure to be as descriptive as possible so that when people are searching up certain categories and filtering through the content, they will be able to find yours easier.
For example, if you just put soles, you're going to be competing with all the other albums that have the keyword soles. So try putting something more like blonde girl rubbing lotion over soft soles to help you appear in more searches. Basically, the more descriptive you are, the better.
Now that you know how to get started on FeetFinder.com, let's answer the question that we get all too much. How much do we charge for our feet pics?
New models wanting to make money selling feet pics but having no idea what to charge. Some models charge way too much for low quality content, resulting in no sales.
We suggest having a few different albums with a broad price range. And for example, you want to have a couple cheaper ones for around $5 because a lot of buyers like to purchase a cheaper album to kind of get like a preview before they purchase higher priced albums.
Remember, it's easier to get a lot of people to pay a small amount than to get a few people to pay a large amount.
It's also good to have some mid-range content, probably around like $10 to $15, and then have some more expensive ones that can be like 30 plus, and these are going to be your videos or like high definition pictures of your feet.
So from what we've seen, buyers spend the money on custom feet pics from foot models that they've already purchased a lot of content from and have already built up that relationship with. So don't be surprised if you're not making any sales and you have a lot of, costly feet pics with no cheaper options for them.
People selling feet content do need to be realistic because you can't take blurry pictures with your phone and post them for $50 because they're just not going to sell.
People selling feet content also need to realize that it takes time. Some models will make their first sale within the first week, and some of our top foot models on FeetFinder didn't make their first sale until a couple of months in. So it just varies from model to model, and sometimes patience is all that it takes.
Another great question that we get asked is, how do you take pictures of feet that are most in demand?
When it comes to feet, there are so many different types of subcategories and niches. So that doesn't necessarily mean that somebody with a foot fetish is going to love all types of high quality feet pics.
As mentioned above, they may only be interested in heels, soles, or even pedicure toes. So you want to make sure that you have a good amount of different types of content, from heels to soles to socks to fishnets.
From what we've seen when it comes to buying feet pics, showing your face in the foot picture tends to do better. Most buyers do like to know what their foot models look like. However, some buyers will still buy just feet pics only.
Try to have numerous angles, some from above the camera to kind of appear like you're stepping down, some from above with maybe your feet flat. You can even do some from like showing the arch in your feet. A lot of people like wrinkles, so you get real close in the wrinkles. Just be creative with it.
So the main thing is to make sure that the entire foot is shown and to make sure that it's not cropped awkwardly. Again, we do recommend that you show your face in the foot photo or at least some part of your face. But again, we do have a lot of models that just do feet pics only.
If you're looking for high quality feet pics, FeetFinders is the place for you. With over 100,000 verified foot fetish models, you're definitely going to find something for you. And you can search by keywords, you can search by model, phrases, anything to find the content you are looking for.
With tens of thousands of new feet pics and videos being uploaded, there's no better place on the internet to buy sexy feet pics. You can purchase the feet pics directly from the model's profiles or even make them custom offers.
Whether you like mature feet, men's feet, ugly feet, smelly feet, FeetFinders has the most feet content of any other social media foot fetish marketplace. And unlike the other social media platforms that you can buy and sell feet content on, the verification process on FeetFinders ensures that you're buying real, original, and not stolen feet content, and that especially it's not stock photos.
Foot fetish lovers can also subscribe to models for a specific rate to get access to all of their foot photos and videos, making Foot Fetish the easiest and most secure website to buy and sell feet pics.
Considering all the options out there, FeetFinders is the best online marketplace for verified users to buy and sell feet content.
It's super easy for foot fetish lovers to find their ideal niche, and with over $60,000 being paid to models, it is the best side hustle to make money online in a safe and secure environment.
While FeetFinder does most of the marketing for models, those who treat selling feet pics like a full-time job tend to make the most money.
Click on the links in the description below and the end cards to find out more about FeetFinder.com and to get more information about how to buy and sell your feet content.
Thank you for watching this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below because we love hearing from you.
Create a profile on FeetFinder today to get started. Again, this is Angela.
And I'm Ada.
Both wishing you much success in your feet picture ventures.
Wishing you much success in your feet picture ventures.
Thank you so much for watching. Click here to learn more about FeetFinder.com and click here to learn more about how to buy and sell your feet photos at FeetFinder.com.